The lowly little celery. So we don't think of celery as like this superfood or anything like that, but it's pretty amazing. So celery is neutralizes acids in the body. Celery is something that can take you from acidic to alkaline. So it's very alkalinizing. And we want to make sure that we're getting a lot of alkalinizing vegetables into our diet because most of us are too acidic. So it can really help with digestion because many people have acid reflux and things like that. So raw celery or celery juice is going to be your best choice of celery. It is actually it purifies the bloodstream as well. So it's one of those foods that is so common that we don't really think about eating it on a regular basis, but chop it up and put it in your salads every time you have a salad. Or I love stuffing celery with almond butter. That's another thing I love to do. Celery is also a great fiber source. So adding it to your salads or eating it as on the side as a fiber source. Apple and celery together are really alkalinizing. So you might have a slice of half an apple and have a stalk of celery with some almond butter in it, and there's your snack. All right, follow me on Divine Farmer Health for more tips. Bye for now.